Let's see how the gold has played yesterday. We can see that the price has formed a bullish breakout. A strong bullish candle yesterday, which has closed above this area of resistance for 105.86, and it has closed above the area of resistance where these candles open and close could not manage to close the day above this area of resistance, which is around 4080. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see the price has bounced in between this area of support and the resistance. It is a daily 4105.86 and on the lower side 4021.78. And until the price yesterday formed this bullish breakout, a strong bullish candle that has took above this area of resistance, a smaller resistance which I have mentioned 4080, and the price managed to close above, which is just a start of this bullish move. We can see that the price is trying to reach higher price levels, where the price has reached at 4143.05 this area of resistance, and now it is currently also making a bullish breakout on the 4-hour time frame above this area of resistance. We can see this area of resistance has stopped the price in the past when the price could not manage to easily go above the resistance, but we can see this bullish move, which is currently a strong one, has moved slightly above this area of resistance, and it will try to reach higher price levels. What I'm expecting currently, I'm expecting the price will reach this area of resistance for 188.33, which is a daily resistance, where the price successfully reaches this area of resistance after making a bullish breakout above this area, above 4105.86. So this is the first target, and after that we'll see will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which will open the price to reach again 4289.23, which will be the next resistance level. But before that, I can see this is the area of resistance 4248.57, where the price could stop, like in the previous example where the price has reached this area. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see where the price is trying to reach. The price will try to reach 4248. It is here the area of resistance 4235.13, precisely where the price is trying to reach, and you can see that I already have opened a bullish breakout order, a buy order, where the price will try to reach this area of a target, this area here, which is around 4224. So this is the target where I'm currently targeting for the gold on the daily time frame. I also have shared this inside the premium analysis with the traders, and also have shared inside the chat room. If you would like to get a place where you can share details, where you can ask and also chat about the daily updates, if you have any kind of trade available on the market on any symbol, feel free to join the chat room. I have opened a chat room only for the traders who would like to discuss these open trades and also the trading ideas on any symbol that you are trading. So feel free to check the link inside the comments. You will have more details how to join, where I only accept the traders who are serious traders. So feel free to check that, where you can come and join and discuss the daily updates with the serious traders without any spam. So that's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.